to start off, is a very ubiquitous and common product you see everywhere nowadays. The legacy, the old school fintech apps which are into lending are now facilitating payments. The newer banking platforms which you use are now into payments. And one of the challenges that we went about facing in one of my previous NBFC stints was, whom do I work with? Right? And how do I go about choosing the right partner to roll out the payments? So for context, we were basically wanting to work with a bank or an aggregator to kind of collect repayments and facilitate some collections, others. So this is my construct about how to go about and think a bit in the long run. And when I say long run, we're looking at least 2 to 3 years. One, how good is the product fitting your requirements and your own customer journey? Or in the case of internal products, how well does it fit into their processes? Second, considering this is money movement, you need to think of stability. Is this a partner who can actually help you scale up? Is a partner whose systems are always up, or at least has 99% plus uptime? Third is scale. As most growth companies, etc., you will realize that one fine day after a marketing blitz, your adoption starts kicking in, or after a couple of months of launch, people have more faith or trust. Overnight, you might see a hockey stick, and that is where scale comes into the picture. In the ideal state, can the partner help you ramp up 100x over a couple of days? Fourth, and which is equally important, is support. Like it or not, payments is a very, very high trust product because people are paying you. And that is why you have to make sure that either from your end, and for that matter, payment partner end, they need to be extremely good in terms of support, in terms of SLAs, etc. Last but not the least is commercials. How good they are in terms of giving a reasonable commercial, because they also have to make money. And at the same time, they have to make sure that they have the incentive to work with you and work closely with you to build out products in the solution. So most companies will similarly realize we partnered with a bank, multiple banks basically. We spent time with them solutioning, and finally we went ahead with a private sector bank known for working with partners and NBFCs like my ex-employer. So to summarize, first understand your own internal requirements, your internal processes, your own experiences. What is the kind of unit economics you're looking at, and who would be the right partner? Don't decide the partner and then build a product. In fact, do the other way around. Build the product, and then decide who would be the right partner.